everyone. Today I am sharing a short video to help you relieve pain in your neck, shoulders and your upper spine, which is usually stressed out and tired and fatigued due to the overburden and maybe due to certain postural imperfections or due to over exercise, which we usually neglect. So let's understand how we can relieve the stress and how we can have a normal spine, normal neck and normal shoulder, so that our posture is comfortable, so that our movement is comfortable and we feel a lot of relief from pain. So we are going to start with basic exercises and basic practices. These are very simple. You can do it through your day, wherever you are, in a car, in your office, at your home, watching TV, wherever you are. Just do it for 5 to 10 minutes and just see the miracle. So the first exercise is, we start with the neck. We usually have a very tight trapezius muscle over here, especially with men and children, boys who are sports person, because they don't focus on their posture, they don't use their abdominal muscles well, and they put all their burden on their shoulders and their trapezius muscles. So what can help them strengthen these muscles? So first exercise is, you're going to lift or shrug your shoulder up towards your ears and roll it back, completely pressing your shoulder blades together. So do it for 5 counts. 1, 2, and please have the movements really slow and gradual. 3, 4 and 5. Whenever we are having any kind of pain, we are not doing the forward movements. Second one is, you are going to cup your shoulders with your hands and we are going to do shoulder rotations, bringing our elbows in the center and touching them. So 1, and complete rotations. Take your own time, do not hurry or rush into the practice. 2, 3, and please be mindful of your breathing. Do not hold back the breath. Keep on breathing. 4, maximum rotation with your shoulders, and 5. Next one is, we are going to have our arms straight in line with our shoulders. This is called T arms. You are going to have your palms facing the ceiling. Thumb is fanned out and we are going to rotate our palm upwards into a T. 1. So your thumb is pointing towards the ceiling. Inhale back and exhale. 2. Inhale back and exhale. 3. Inhale back and exhale. 4. Inhale back and exhale. 5. From here, bring your arms to a W. These are called W arms. They are very, very useful in releasing all the upper back stress. You are just going to very gently take your arms up. 1 and exhale back. Inhale up. 2. Exhale back. 3. Exhale back. 4. Exhale back. And please engage your core, engage your abdomen. Do not let your abdomen inflate too much. And 5. And release your arms from here very gently. Now we are going to go to Gomukhasana arms. This is one of the most important, or I should say a very, very vital asana in yoga, which really helps in relieving all the stress from here. And it really opens up your arms, your biceps, your upper shoulder and your posterior shoulder from here. So the correct way to do it is, you're just going to take your left arm up in line with the shoulder, rotate the palm backwards, then very gently take your arm back, place it between your shoulder blades as high as you can. Now lift the right arm up, bend it, and try to grab or intertwine your fingers together. If you are unable to do this, you can take a string between your arms, string or a towel, this way. Take help from somebody around. Do not arch your back over here. Keep the spine comfortably erect. Pull it together. Now what we are doing actually is, we are taking the left shoulder in and bringing it down towards the spine, and we are lifting the right shoulder up and bringing it up towards the ceiling. So it is an opposite action which are relieving our muscles. Stay here for a couple of breaths. With every exhalation, try to deepen your stretch. And very gently lift the arm up and release it. In the same fashion, we are going to repeat it on the other side. Next one is neck rotations. So neck rotations we are going to do very slowly, and the people who have cervical problem or spondylitis, or they usually have discomfort in their neck, they are not going to contract their neck in any of the postures while exercising, while lying down or doing any kind of activity. They are never going to take their head back. Their head has to stay here. So when you are doing neck rotations, people with problems like that, they are not going to take their neck back like this. Do not let your head fall back. I have been repeating this in my classes also. So you have to be very careful with this posture. Rest of you can do full rotations. So you're going to start with forward rotation, circular ones. Exhale. And try to take your neck towards the side. Take it back. Once again towards the left. Try and close your eyes so that you can expand your consciousness towards the movement, so that you get more prana to the center of your mind. Inhale and exhale and do the rotation. People with cervical and spondylitis problem will not go beyond this. They are going to come back to the center and move it to the other side. Rest of you can do full circles. And once again, exhale and take it to the other side. And come back to the center. And release. This is a very good movement to immediately release your trapezius muscles. Next one is, you are going to take your palm out, bring it gently outside of your forehead towards the right side. Inhale here, exhale, close your eyes and push your head down towards your left shoulder. So your right shoulder is moving down towards your buttocks, and your neck is pulling across the hip. Please feel comfortable in any of the practices. If there is any kind of sustainable pain or any kind of discomfort, please discontinue over there. Maybe you need more guidance, personal guidance from your physiotherapist or your doctor. Stay here for 5 breaths and release. Release your palm, and we do the same action on the other side. Next, we are going to interlock our hands at the base of our neck.